You're searching how to buy shares of SoFi Technologies Inc. SoFi is a U.S. fintech company offering banking, lending, and personal finance products, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SoFi. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SoFi to find SoFi Technologies Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for SoFi. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your SoFi position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.